Hello, konnichiwa! Update lang po namin kayo tungkol sa VPS Global Official Partner of the Embassy of Japan in the Philippines. Ito po ay tungkol sa pag-a-apply ng visa sa Pilipinas papuntang Japan. Before po, nag-a-apply tayo through accredited agency. Pero starting April 7, 2025, ay kailangan na po natin mag-apply through JVAC, Japan Visa Application Center. At bago po tayo pumunta sa mga center, kailangan po natin muna mag-login sa website ng VPS Global. Ito po ay visa.vpsglobal.com. Diyan po natin malalaman ang mga guidelines o step-by-step na dapat natin gawin or dalhin ng mga dokumento. Una, alamin natin kung anong visa type ang kailangan nating i-apply at gusto nating i-apply. Pangalawa, once you are ready. Pangatlo, choose a visa application center and make an appointment. Once natapos nyo na po yung appointment booking, meron po kayo matatanggap ng appointment confirmation email along with the letter of appointment. And if you are part of a family or group, you have to book individual appointment for each member of the family or group. And last, kailangan na pong bayaran ang visa fee, which is pag natapos nyo na po i-print lahat ng documents or application form, pupunta na po kayo sa sa Japan Visa Application Center kung anong lugar o saan lugar nyo pinili. At doon nyo na po babayaran ang application visa fee. Kung nandun na po kayo sa araw ng application or appointment nyo po, kailangan po nyong pumunta mismo, hindi po kailangan ng representative. And 15 minutes before your appointment, dapat andun na po kayo. And then, under 18 years old, permitted po na may kasamang parent or caregiver or guardian. Tapos, kailangan pong dalhin lahat ng documents, original and copy, and yung mga dinownload nyo pong form, kailangan nyo pong bit-bit yun. Passport, original, and mga copies. At least 2 copies po. And then, kung hindi pa po kayo nakapagbayad through online ng visa fee, pwede rin po kayong magbayad doon sa center na po mismo ng inyong visa fee. At the center, kailangan nyo po mag-submit ng fingerprint and photograph at ang tawag po doon ay biometric information collection. Kung liquids or inks or chemical na gagamitin. And then, digital photograph, kailangan kita po yung full face. Wala pong kailangan na suot ng sunglasses or cap. And then, unless po kung sa religious or ethical reason, basta po kailangan their face is visible, ears as possible is visible, yung forehead din po. And then recommended po, bright color clothing po ang recommended nilang suotin. Make sure lang po yung fingertips natin ay wala pong mga decoration such as mehndi, cuts, abrasion, or other markings as they may affect your ability to provide acceptable finger scan. Yung wala pong dapat mga sugat, hiwa, mehndi. Mehndi is like anong lahi? Ibang lahi po kadalasan po yun eh. Yung may tattoo sa mga daliri, tas parang may mahaba na kuko. Yun, ganun po. And then, basta dapat walang problema sa finger kasi may hirapan iscan. And then, if you're applying for a visa on behalf of your child under 14 pababa, hindi na po kailangan isama. Kasi they're not required to attend appointments since they don't have to provide their fingerprint information. Pero, children under 18 years old need to be accompanied by an adult. Masasamahan ng member of VPS Global staff. Tapos, kung na-miss nyo po yung appointment on the scheduled day, kailangan nyo po mag-book ng panibagong appointment after 24 hours from your original appointment date. Yun po. Tapos, without biometrics information, your visa application will not be processed. Kung hindi po nagawa yung biometric information, hindi po maano yung process, hindi po ma-process yung visa application. Without biometric information, your visa application will not be processed. Your fingerprint scan and facial scan will be captured. Yung mukha tsaka finger po, maka-capture po. Kailangan po yun talaga. A digital fingerprint scanner will collect images of 10 fingers. 10 fingers po yung gagamitin kasi. At yan ang mga kaunting kaalaman, impormasyon na maibabahagi namin sa inyo ng bagong patakaran ng Japan Embassy sa Pilipinas patungo rito sa Japan.
Maraming salamat Miss Anne sa pagbibigay bungad kung paano ngayon ang pagkuha ng visa from Pilipinas to Japan.